Hello guys, my name is Siddharth Varde, and this is the devlog for Unity module, another devlog where we, here what we did created some animations in Unity. So first of all, I forked the repository in my own account, and then I cloned that repository uh, in my own local system, and after that I opened up the project and like did some initial commits because I changed the Unity version in 2020.3.18, and then I created my own branch, another branch, feature one for animations, and then I created few animations for players idle animation, run animation, crouch animation. Okay. Yes, and I also learned a new command in gitbash, git restore, to and to restore the any files that to discard any changes in any file that we are already tracking. Okay, so I think that is it. Thank you.